Dear friends,
Hello.
this video is dedicated to all the couples.
Oh yes.
We are giving you a chance to have an online retreat with us. So for 1 week, we are offering you daily exercises and some tasks. We're going to be showing some satsangs
With your partner?
with your partner.
Yes.
And we would like you to spend some quality time with your partner. And throughout this week, we'll be guiding you through different stages of relationship, and we'll help you to find a new quality in your day-to-day life and your love life.
And how it's done? How do we do it?
So first of all, we've been filming some of our new exercises that have been developed back in Thailand. These exercises will help you to relax, to bend, to
Get deeper connection with partner.
To open your body.
And also we will give you daily practices, what you're going to do, some kind of small exercises.
Yeah, they will guide you more into your inner world. You will be able to develop your communication skills and get connection on much deeper level with yourself and with your partner.
Yes.
So join us for 1 week. We start on Monday, and throughout the week we'll be sending you exercises, and we'll be having open discussions where we can talk about these things, and we're gonna have some webinars in order for all of us to stay connected, stay alive, and share what is bothering you right now, what is valuable for you.
So looking forward. See you guys and have a fun.
Let's have some fun.
Yeah.
So sign up for our retreat and we'll see you there.
Yes. See you guys.
Much love to you.
Yes.
Ciao.
Bye.